Hi, this is Dr. Manisha Dikshit from Pranayatan Ayurveda. Today is World Diabetes Day. The diabetes is increasing most countries according to WHO by 2045. This will increase up to 700 million people. Diabetes is called a disease of rich persons. If you follow wrong diet, wrong lifestyle and stress in your life, diabetes occur. Vice versa, if you change your diet, if you change your lifestyle and reduce stress, the proper hormones release in your body and cure diabetes. So it is not difficult to get rid of diabetes. In this video, I will share how to beat diabetes. Do you know how diabetes occurs? It is a symptom, or you can say a condition in which insulin resistance occurs. The main cause of diabetes is insulin resistance. Have you ever thought when a person suffers from lifestyle problems like hypertension, obesity, thyroid, PCOD, infertility, he or she is probable to get the other diseases also, because the root cause of these diseases is same. Now, what is insulin resistance? In a simple way, we can say when body is unable to utilize the insulin which is present in the blood, or insulin is unable to convert glucose in the body, so it is known as insulin resistance. The main cause of insulin resistance is excess fat in the body also. When glucose enters our muscle cells, it stores as a fat because of insulin resistance. According to Acharyas, Asya Sukham, Swapna Sukham Dadini, Gramyo Dukanu Parsa Payansi, Navan Panam, Guna Vyakratam Cha, Prame Hetu Kaf Kricha Sarva. Means these are the main causes of diabetes or Madhumeh. These are the some Ayurvedic causes, or you can say when the person have aggravated kapha dosha, sedentary lifestyle and poor eating habits. The persons who take more milk, more cream, more fat, meat preparations, rice preparations and more curd preparations, etc. These are vulnerable to suffer from Madhumeh or diabetes. If you want to prevent diabetes mellitus, measure your waist regularly. If your waist size increases, then it indicates the increase of fat in your body, which can eventually lead to diabetes. So on this World Diabetes Day, pledge with us to beat diabetes. B for be active and exercise. E, eat right and drink properly. A, to avoid to increase HB1AC, bad cholesterol, smoking and alcohol. And T for treat properly. Physical activity is very important for diabetic persons. According to Acharyas, Chankraman is the best treatment, especially for poor also. Chankraman means walking. You can walk 20 minutes daily, or you can do up and down stair exercise also. Besides this, you can do some squeeze exercises or some exercises which can produce pressure on your pancreas, like Mandukasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavan Muktasana, etc. Surya Namaskar is also best way to stimulate your pancreas. These exercises are very important to decrease insulin resistance in your body, or to increase or stimulate pancreatic juices from your pancreas. The second one is eat right and drink properly, means make important changes in your diet. You can reduce grains or carbohydrate in your diet. Grains like wheat, rice, millets, bajra, etc. If you take your lunch, or you can take one chapati in your lunch, you should take 1 katori dal, 1 katori green vegetables and 1 katori salad. If you need one more chapati, then you should take 1 more katori dal, 1 more katori vegetables and 1 more katori salad. Otherwise, there is no need to take one more chapati. In this manner, you can reduce your fat also. Avoid maida foods and also avoid processed foods. Increase green vegetables and beans in your diet, and also increase nuts and seeds. You can use different type of nuts like chia seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, etc. Because these seeds are rich in minerals, rich in fibers, and rich in vitamins. The second one is according to acharyas. Drink right. These acharyas was described the right manner of drinking water. In diabetic patients, if you have more water, this water accumulates in your body and causes edema. It can also produce pressure on your heart also. So, it is a tip for diabetic persons, drink right amount of water according to your body. Third one is avoid to increase HbA1c. For this, you should measure your fasting HbA1c test. The normal limit is 2.6 to 6. If the limit increases up to 6, it means you are in diabetic phase or your diabetes is increasing. Besides this, also check your lipid profile. See, the bad cholesterol is not increasing, it is very harmful for our body. The last one of your pledge to control your insulin resistance or diabetes is to treat properly. Never stop your medicines suddenly without any consultation. You can also take Ayurvedic medicines to control your diabetes. Besides this, reduce stress, anxiety, irritation, and sadness, and increase positivity, stamina, and happiness. Set your goals in your life. If you are visualize your dreams, you can feel it, and these dreams will definitely be actualized. Believe me, if you follow BEAT, B-E-A-T, you will get rid of diabetes. Besides this, you will also get rid of hypertension, obesity, thyroid, PCOD, infertility, or other lifestyle problems. If you need any consultation related with diabetes, contact us. And if you like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.